Hey guys, a short update on the price of Bitcoin. Well, as you can see, we have a very nice and positive price development. We had a new all-time high, which I would like to congratulate you with. Well, it's not that big comparing with the previous. It's like almost $112,000, but we're very strong above 100k, and it's going forward. So we have this repetitive patterns of ascending channels, and it means that the lows are going up, highs are going up, meaning that the trend is pretty strong. So every time we have the decline, some kind of a correction downside to the downside, we have a very strong pullback, and every time bulls are buying out all the discounts, even in the local form, and that's very promising. So currently, I think we kind of didn't touch the major liquidity with the panic buys, and also the stops and liquidation orders for the shorters, for those who short the price. And also at the same time, there is a very strong correlation with S&P 500. So we had the previous, of course, but the correction which we discussed before, which we expected to almost, I would expect it a little lower, maybe like 5,700. But again, it means that we didn't go there and have a nice pullback. Now the market is closed for the holiday, but the pullback is strong, and it seems like we are going higher. So as soon as the price, the S&P 500 reaches the previous highs, and maybe even we have the breakout process, so that would be probably associated with the much stronger reaction with Bitcoin, and that would lead to this final rise in price, maybe 250k or something like that. I don't know, but the point is that it will be new all-time high, much more significant than we have now. One thing I should point out that this is probably the final rise before the correction. So if you look at the oscillators, like a stochastic RSI or something, or just stochastic, it's about to be reaching overbought condition. So we can get like 1 to maybe 3 weeks of continuous growth, especially TDS is at 6 now, so we have the option to go to the 9, maybe 7, 8 is green, and 9 will be red, and in that case that would be the end of the rise. And but I would say that even if we go like higher and then continue going with a correction, so continuation with the correction probably be ideally down to 100k, maybe 110k. That would be between 20 and 30% correction. That would be really healthy, same way as we get here. So we had the consolidation period, growth, correction, another growth, another correction to the same consolidation. We have a very nice a baseline here between maybe $90,000 and $110,000. So all that would be really organic. I'm not sure if it happens this way, so maybe we'll drop much lower or something like that. But in any case, that is the price action which you would expect. It's very well aligned with the S&P 500. It's very well aligned with the rest of the cryptocurrency market. So I guess that is very promising. Again, if we drop lower, I think it's the option to buy. Not necessarily we need to buy now. We may not drop there, right? We may have the consolidation within the very short range much higher. That would be another option, but then again, it's a sign of the potential growth even higher, and those 6-digit numbers. So 6-digit numbers may be in much closer to 1 million than we have now. So again, everything goes according to the plan, and I think that we are in a good position. Still there is a chance that would be a kind of delayed. We may see another pullback here, even to 90k. But even if it happens, I don't think that we have a good high chance to go lower than, let's say, 75 or something like that. That would be probably our low for many months. Even if I'm not sure if we even go that low at all. Maybe this is the new era, and we be closer to 1 million, or between 500k and 1 million, and that would be our future price region for many years, or even higher. Who knows? Maybe it's just like the path to continuous growth, because all the potential drivers, starting from ETFs and ending with the Federal Reserve, also with a kind of optimistic point of view on what's happening with financial markets and economy, not mentioning the Trump policy and so on regarding cryptocurrencies. So everything is pretty positive. I'm not sure why we need to be bearish at this moment. And again, so far, everything went according to the plan. So I think we're good. Thank you very much for watching. I hope to see you next video, probably in a couple of days. So I'll make you a new update. If you need any questions, let me know in the comments or in our Telegram group. And thank you very much for watching. See you next time. Goodbye.